Welcome to Phantom Wallet versus Torus Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both wallets are in the description below. In this video, we'll be comparing Phantom Wallet and Torus Wallet, focusing on their features, security, ease of use, and who each wallet is best for. Phantom Wallet is a highly popular, non-custodial wallet designed specifically for Solana. It works as a browser extension and a mobile app, providing an intuitive user interface for managing Solana-based assets, including tokens and NFTs. Phantom's strengths lie in its seamless integration with the Solana blockchain, allowing users to stake tokens, swap assets via decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and access decentralized apps directly from the wallet. It's an excellent choice for users who want to engage deeply with the Solana ecosystem. However, Phantom's functionality is limited to Solana, so it's less suited for people who need a wallet that supports multiple blockchains. Torus Wallet, on the other hand, is a multi-chain wallet that focuses on user accessibility. Torus stands out because of its unique approach to user authentication, allowing users to log in with their existing Google, Facebook, or other social media accounts, eliminating the need to manage long seed phrases. It supports a variety of blockchains, including Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polygon. This makes it a versatile wallet for users who need to manage assets across different networks. Torus also integrates with dApps, offering a smooth experience for decentralized finance, DeFi, interactions. While Torus is convenient and secure, its reliance on social logins may not appeal to privacy-conscious users who prefer the traditional seed phrase setup. In conclusion, if you're a Solana user who wants a wallet built specifically for the Solana ecosystem with advanced staking and DeFi features, Phantom Wallet is the better choice. However, if you need a multi-chain wallet that prioritizes convenience and easy access across different networks, and you're okay with social login integration, Torus Wallet might be the better option for you. Check the description for links to both wallets and more details.